Use the FOIL method to multiply these binomials. With the FOIL method, you multiply the four terms from the two binomials in a specific order. Multiply the first terms, then the outside terms, then the inside terms, then the last terms. So let's multiply these binomials. Fill in the terms here. So we get 6x minus 2, 4x minus 8. Multiplying the first terms, 6x and 4x, we get 6 times 4, x squared. Then the outside terms, 6x and minus 8, so we get 6 and negative 8. Then the inside terms get a minus 2 here and a 4x, so we write negative 2 and 4x. And then the last terms, we get a minus 2 here and a minus 8 here, so it's negative 2 times negative 8. Simplifying, we get 24x squared plus 6 times negative 8 is negative 48x. And negative 2 times 4 is negative 8x. And then negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16. Simplifying further, we get 24x squared, and then negative 48 plus negative 8 is minus 56. And then this is plus 16. So the simplified version is 24x squared minus 56x plus 16.